What's up guys, B-Rob here, and today I'm going to show you how I make one of my delicious protein shakes. I'll be right back. Alright guys, here we go. Here are the ingredients that I use. For this today, I am going to use my little Ninja blender, and this thing's pretty cool. The cup is about this size, and what I've done is I've already put about 8 ice cubes in there, 6 to 8, something like that. If you look, it equals about 8 ounces of ice. Well, I'm not saying it equals 8 ounces, but it goes to the 8-ounce line there. And the flavor shake that I'm gonna use vanilla protein powder. This right here is Equate, so it's a Walmart brand. I like it actually. I've used a little bit of it there, and what you'll see here is 1 scoop is actually 30 grams of protein. So that works out well for this because I'm trying to put all these ingredients in this one little thing, and I'm supposed to get it here to this fill line. So I don't want to overflow it and make a mess here. So this works out good. It's got a good flavor to it. I need to go ahead and do a review on this, and if I do a review before I post this video, I'll go ahead and link it to this. As a matter of fact, whenever I do the review, I'll go ahead and link it to this video, so you should be able to see it pop up here. But anyways, this has the typical amino acids in it. It does have some other ingredients there that you'll see, but one of the things that here, it is actually gluten-free. So you see it right there on the bottom, gluten-free. So if you care about that, then this is a good tasting protein that is gluten-free. So I definitely recommend it. And I want to say it was pretty cheap. I'll try to find out, and again, if I do a review, I'll let you know, but I can tell you it was under $20 for sure. And it was about 22 servings. So 22 servings there for 1 scoop, which actually gives you 30 grams of protein, which you see right there. So anyways, I'm using 1 scoop of this. I'm using a cup of water. I'm using a small banana. And this here is a cup of pineapples. Now, with this, I'm using Del Monte pineapples that also has coconut. It's in coconut flavored. So it's coconut flavored. So it's in a little bit of coconut juice. So it gives a good taste with the vanilla protein and the banana there. So trust me on this one, this is good. I'm so excited about making this for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and first put in my scoop of protein powder. And I like putting the protein powder over the ice here because my next thing I'm gonna add is I'm gonna go ahead and add my water. And the reason I do it this way is because it prevents the lumps. It helps prevent the lumps, the protein powder lumping up in the blades there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open up my banana and my pineapples. I'm gonna go pineapple first, and I pour the juice in there too. So I'm gonna go pineapple first, and I'm gonna go banana. So here we go. Pineapple is open. Trying to do this one hand while I hold the camera. I need to get a camera mount so I can do this hands free, so I can record and everything. And as you see, I'm already inching up there to my fill line. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on it here, and I'm gonna blend this up, and then I'll come back and put my banana in there. So I've broken up the banana, stuck it in there. Now I'm gonna put the top on there. Hopefully none will leak out. So here we go. We got everything in here, including the banana. Go ahead and mix it up again. And it is ready to go. So here we go, guys. It's ready to go. So I do suggest putting in a little less than 8 ounces of water because of the juice from the pineapples and the actual pineapples themselves. So I would say go about 6 ounces of water because of adding the juice from the pineapples. But everything's all nice and blended up here. And that's very delicious and refreshing. So there you have it, guys. That's how I make my protein shakes. when I have the time to make them at home and I'm not on the go. Sometimes I'll make them up like this, throw a little extra ice in there and pour it in another container and take it with me, put it in a cooler, things like that. Makes really good protein shakes. You can also do chocolate, protein powder, using some powdered peanut butter, and I'll make that shake for you another time. But for right now, this is how I make my pineapple banana protein shake. So this is B-Rob. Hopefully you've learned something here, and hopefully you try this at home. When you do that, leave me a comment, let me know how it turned out for you. Also, please like, share, subscribe to This is B-Rob, and leave me a positive comment. This is B-Rob. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.